You deleted a bunch of important zip files from your computer, and now you can't find them when you need them. Total pain, right? What do? No worries. Bitwar is here to save the day. Just head to the Bitwar official website by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit until you see the Win version button. Click that to download the software. Fire up Bitwar, click the Deep Recovery button in the bottom right. Pick the drive where you deleted the files. We lost ours on drive E, so select that. Then hit Next. Check the Compress Files option. Click Scan and wait a sec. Once the scan's done, the software will dig up all the missing zip files from the drive E. The right side shows all the file details. Scroll through to find the names of the zip files you lost. Once you spot M, check all of M, then click the Recover button in the bottom right. Choose a custom folder on your computer to save M to, and that's it. It'll say successfully recovered 4 zip files. Go check that drive folder. They're all there, no parts missing at all. That's Bitwar's Deep Recovery for you. Subscribe to us to learn more about the software.